I'm going to show you how to do a quick setup of the Saebo MyoTrac Infiniti. So we're going to open up the bag, get out the device. With the device we'll need the two cables that come with it. So for the first setup we're just going to use one cable. So I'm going to switch on at the side the power button to get the on screen. And I'm going to insert the cable with the white dot facing the white dot on the device. So that's going into channel A. I then need the stylus. And I'm going to use on the start screen, we're just going to start off with the stim program. So I'm going to get two electrodes and I'm going to connect them to the yellow cable and one to the blue cable. So if I want a straightforward opening of the hand, I'm going to put it on my forearm extensors. It's one pad here and the other pad further up the forearm. Then go from the program mode, clicking on the number 1 for the arm, scrolling down to atrophy, going the forward button, I just click start and then increase the intensity. Patient should start to feel some tingling and it goes into its straightforward cycle. So it's in a rest at the moment and then it will start coming back in. If I increase a bit further, start getting opening of the hand and then switch off into the rest cycle. Then the stimulation will come back in again to open the hand and switch off into the rest. And that will keep going for a cycle of 80 repetitions. So I can decide to help with range of movement, building up muscle bulk, decrease swelling with this program, or I can now take this hand into a functional activity so that the patient times with the open to pick up the object, they can grasp, stimulation is off. If I want to move it from A to B, stimulation comes back in again, release the object. And then I can click end. Go back to the main screen. Okay, next option is the EMG or biofeedback. Click in, I can go into a preset program. Again, I'm going to click on the arm. So for this, I'm going to scroll down from shoulder to lower arm, atrophy, and click the forward button. I'm not going to go for the auto threshold, I'm going to go straight in that I can manually adjust it. So for this one I need one additional electrode. This is the earth that can go anywhere on the arm, so at the moment I'm just going to stick it underneath. And this is going to connect into the black cable. I want to narrow down because we've only got channel A on, just to see channel A. So I click the graph at the bottom, select A, and now it's much clearer. So the black line going up, as soon as I extend wrist or fingers, it detects that movement. So I can use this as a cycle to try and elicit more activity with the threshold as a motivational tool for the patient. So I'm going to press run. There'll be a ready period and the patient is trying to aim for that threshold line. So this is the introduction. Got to work to hit that threshold, keep hitting it, and then a rest.